Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect printer to XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Lite. First you need to open the setting in your phone, then go to the down and find the connection and sharing. Click on it and here select the printing. You can use system printing service. Turn on this option and here you can find your printer, and if it connect to your device, then you can click on the back arrow and other ways add service, and here you can download app for other service if you want and use this service. And that's all for today. Goodbye.